Working with Alpha. Anywhere applications and encountered an ADB file? This is a database file from the Alpha Anywhere Rapid Application Development Platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common N2P Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. N2P files are data files associated with Net2Phone, an early voice over IP telephony service that enabled internet-based phone calls. They contained user account information, call logs, contact directories, and service configuration data managed by the Net2Phone client application on user computers. Net2Phone N2P files use a proprietary data format, storing user account credentials, phone book entries, call history records, and service preferences. The format is specific to legacy Net2Phone client software that has been largely superseded by modern VoIP applications and unified communications platforms. You will typically find Net2Phone developed by unknown developer associated with N2P. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows shows limited internal detail, so proper reading depends on the program designed for that format. We'll initiate a comprehensive scan of potential openers. Right-click your N2P file and select Open With. Test Net2Phone if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates confusion. When an N2P file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focused tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the N2P file begins. First, identifying the file. Locate the N2P file within your legacy Net2Phone client installation directory or user profile folder. The file appears alongside other application data files and may include companion configuration files referenced during Net2Phone client startup and account authentication operations. Next, opening legacy files. Use the original Net2Phone client application to open and access N2P data files. Because the legacy desktop client is largely discontinued, you may need to install it within a compatible older Windows environment or virtual machine to retrieve account information and call records. Finally, migrating contact data. Export contact directory information from the Net2Phone client to standard formats such as CSV or vCard for import into modern communication platforms. This approach preserves your contact data for use with current VoIP services, email clients, and unified communications applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.